This 2014 Winnebago Via 25P is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, oven, DVD player, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, stove-top burner, and 29 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. This 2014 Winnebago Via 25P is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.